it? What happened?
I saw a ghost.
Huh?
I swear I saw a ghost.
How do you mean you saw a ghost? I don't understand. You saw a ghost. Where? How? When?
I saw a ghost. They said ghosts do not die, okay? This ghost. I will kill this ghost.
Obiago, you are not saying anything. You are not making any sense. What do you mean? What are you even saying?
Mama, I will kill this ghost. You will not understand.
Papa, Papa. Is this my son? Or is this the square root of impossibility? Eh? Hey! Hey! Johnny Chen! Johnny Chen! With Johnny Chen, I'm a couple. Hey! The Ranger! So this is you?
Yes, Papa.
I've always known that the gods will vindicate my instincts. Hey! Ewele! You are welcome, my son.
Thank you, Papa.
Hey! Please, sit down. Come and sit down, my son. Come and sit down. Oh. Today is a great day. Oh. Ewele! So this is you.
Father, I am happy to see him alive.
Yes, oh. Yes, oh. I thank the gods for bringing back my son.
The hatred is so much, enviness and jealousy so much.
What could this mean? Sopuru and Okezie are too small to take me for granted. How can they collect money from me, yet they did not execute the assignment the way I told them to do it? They had better return my money, or they will be surprised at what I am going to do to them. Mwabeze Nwobuaro is not as gentle as he appears.
My son, who were those boys? And what did they want from you?
Papa, they are assassins hired to kill me. But I do not know who they are. But I am going to find out who the culprits are. Papa, a young lady by name Somnazu of Umonaje in Uzuwani saved my life.
with him for this?
Who are you? And what do you want?
I heard you are the strongest among all in this village. So I came to meet an acquaintance.
Oh, you've heard. You really heard that I'm a lone man. And I do not do well with acquaintances. My machete, please.
Your machete indeed. Lonely people don't belong here. So with your machete, I will send you to your mother. I guess your father did not do well to tell you much about her. Send me word to her when you meet her.
Give me that machete now. I said, give me my machete.
Ajimalele mama, Ajimalele mama, Sebenjo, Mwabiarua, no, Mwana nolowe, Mwana choron sobu, Keduke meru ameta.
Somnazi, who is this young man?
I found him lying helplessly in Amuaji forest.
So you brought him to my house? See, I don't want to have anything to do with anybody from Umujiri Cave community. Please.
Papa, I found this man and he appears to have been beaten by unknown bad men, Papa. How are you even sure he's from Umujirike community?
That is the only common boundary we share together. And it is only Umujirike that shares the same boundary with Uzowani.
Papa, let him regain his consciousness first, and then we can settle this.
Sebenjo, Mwabiarua, no, Mwana nolowe, Mwana choron sobu, Kedunke meru ameta.
I had always known that you were not dead. Because the Obodokwanwu bird did not come around my house.
Papa, Papa, please, don't stop this narration with your superstitious complications. Biko, continue with your story.
Greetings. Nai. Greetings, Nai.
Wabweze, what are you doing here?
I've been looking for you everywhere and I couldn't find you. So I came looking for you here. But I am surprised to see Zebenjo.
Wabweze, the son of Ubuaro. When last did you come into my compound? Iberi Rogu, Kebere warrior. Why are you here?
Sorry, Nai. I only came to look for my betrothed, my wife to be. But I'm sorry if I'm causing any problem. Please, to avoid other embarrassments, let me be going. To avoid complications, people.
Just look at him.
see you later.
This is not a mere coincidence. It's not at all. I'm coming.
Obi, Zebem, you are not going anywhere.
You have to be careful now, else you will fall into the hands of another set of hoodlums. Biko.
You have to be careful of that Mwabweze. That Duwibe. He is Meremere Wampitinazu. Dum Tofu. Dum Cho. That's what he is.
I am going to watch him closely.
Hi. That's Mwabweze. Mwabweze. Meremere Wampitinazu. You have to be careful of him.
No. These boys cannot mess with me by not fulfilling the assignment I gave them to fulfill. If they don't do it, then I must kill Zebenjo by myself. Oh, Zebenjo. Zebenjo.
Who are you talking to? Why are you mentioning Zebenjo's name?
I am trying to do like my friend Obiago.
What has that got to do with Zebenjo, a man that is dead and gone?
Where are you going?
I am going to see Obiago. I have resolved in getting married to him. Zebenjo is dead and gone. Half bread is better than none.
What could this mean? Sopuruchuku and Okezie are too small to take me for granted. How can they collect money from me yet they did not execute the assignment the way I told them to do it? They had better return my money or they will be surprised at what I am going to do to them. Mwabweze Nwobuaro is not as gentle as he appeared. Can I tell you something?
You can tell me something without holding me.
Hey, Oba. Good morning.
No.
Does it mean that Zikora did not sleep in this house?
She didn't come back last night.
Yeah. Zikora want them now. Just go to Ethiopia.
Hey.
Wow.
Mama, good morning.
Good morning. Where is your friend Zikora? Why didn't you come back with her?
My friend Zikora. She's not with me.
Zikora didn't sleep in your house.
No, Mama, she's not in my house.
Where did she sleep then?
Where could she be?
Mama, where else could she be? Zebenjo that your son here, Obiago, planned to kill, is back in this village.
What is she talking about? Zebenjo is back. He's back.
Zebenjo is back.
hatred is so much, enviness and jealousy.
Where are you going this early morning?
Papa, I could not sleep last night. All I could hear was a cry of love from the man whose love pumps blood into my heart, Papa.
What are you talking about?
Papa, I want to go and look for Zebenjo. And I will not return until I find him. I need to know how he's faring.
Are you alright? Are you insane? It was barely yesterday that this stranger left this house. And you have started missing him already. Are you okay? No address. And no direction.
Papa, I don't hear actually, Biko. I don't hear far, Biko. Allow me. Allow me to go. Allow me, eh?
Allow you to go where?
Papa, you are holding me.
I say you are not going anywhere.
You are holding me, Papa.
You are not going anywhere.
Papa, you are holding me. Papa.
Yes, I'm holding you.
Papa, with all due
you're not going anywhere.
With all due respect.
Are you mad?
Papa, with respect. Papa, I did not do anything. Papa, you are holding me.
I say you.
Papa, you are holding me.
I say you are not.
Papa, you are holding me.
My son, if indeed Zebenjo is back, then you are in trouble.
Which trouble? Which trouble? Because the river does not flow backwards. What can put me in trouble in this life? Is it possible? Not possible, because
you don't know what is coming ahead of you. Because if he testifies before the community elders against you, you will be executed for attempting to kill him.
Mama, I did not attempt to murder him. I was just talking because, you know, I wanted to cover the shame of the fact that this guy has been beating me all the time, winning me. So that was why I said it. It's not as if I did anything. I did not do anything,
Well, it's too late. It's too late because you were bragging and telling whoever that cared that you've taken care of him. And you know what that means? It means you are responsible for his disappearance.
It has put me into trouble. Mama, I did not do anything. I didn't. Believe me. If I would lie to everybody, I will not lie to you. That's the truth. I did not.
Listen to me. If the elders of this community fails to do what they ought to do, then he will involve the police. And you know what that means.
Nanga.
My son, you are in big trouble. So I suggest you go and make peace with him. Obiago, go and beg for his forgiveness.
How? I will not do it though. I will not beg for his whatever. I can't beg him to forgive me. Forgive me for what now? That's non-entity. So that you begin to brag more that he has. No, Mama, please. Let's just forget about it. You can go and pacify them. Talk to them yourself on my behalf. Beg him.
I wish I could help. Because at this point, his testimonial is what everyone will believe. The custom demands that if anyone should murder or even make an attempt on his brother's life, the person should be put to death.
Mama, you can do this now. You can do this. I'm your son. Go and talk to them. Talk to the father. Talk to Zebenjo. Talk to anybody that you know that can help. It's simple.
It is more complicated than you think. Because even the law of the government states that if anyone commits murder, that the person should face death penalty. You said you eliminated him. Therefore, if he testifies that the attempt on his life was your plot, then the truth will be established by 2 testimonies. As it is now, my son, even your uncle Izundu cannot save you. Therefore, I suggest that you go and make peace with him. Settle with your accuser on your way.
I love you.
You may not know how it starts, oh. You fit not know how it starts, oh.
I made it specially for you.
Okay.
You like it?
Very good.
I know you like it. Zibenjo.
Somnazo, rushing to meet up with you still hurts my wound.
I walked all the way from my village, Ozawani, only to find you in your village, spoon-feeding another woman, while I was busy thinking about you all night.
Nazo, it's not what you think.
Save your self-distress by shutting that lying mouth of yours. Now I know you took advantage of me while you were at Ozawani. Now I know you took advantage of me. I know better now.
Somnazo. Zikora has been there before I met you.
Why didn't you tell her about us? Why didn't you tell her about me? Why didn't you tell me about her? Why? How close are both of you? I saw it now. I was not blind, I saw it. The way you people were feeding yourself, doing love things like both of you were husband and wife. Where was she? I fed you. I bathed you. I took care of you while you were injured. Where was she while I was doing all those things? Where was she while I was doing... Where? I took my time. Sepenjo, my heart is so destroyed now.
Oh, why am I getting confused right now? I know Somnaz loves me, but our emotions clicked while I was down and helpless. Indeed, she was there for me when I needed her the most. But Zikora would have done the same if it was her at disposal.
Hey!
Should I call you a lover boy? Or a man with indecision? I heard everything. I heard it all. Oh, women are love. So she followed you, trekked all the way from Ozowani to this place. I don't blame her. I think I heard you call her name Somnaz. That means she followed you from behind, from Momojirike. I am waiting for all of them, and I will deal with all of them mercilessly.
I love you.
You may not know how it starts, oh. You fit not know how it starts, oh. Even me, it's all over me. Zikora mo, I love you.
Leave me alone! Go ahead and construct the lies that will justify that intrusion that was magnified by you walking out on me while we ate!
She's the reason that I'm not being killed. She took me to her house at Uzowani. She took care of me. That's the lady I told you about.
She did all of those because she was opportune to have you. She was there with you at the right time to help while I was here, rightly in grief of your loss. Don't tell me her help propitiates for my tears and loss. I was here crying my eyes out and praying for your return, for your safety, for you to return back to me safely. I'd rather leave than drag her with you.
No.
I love you.
Are you so piranhazo? You don't have to be my son. You don't have to be. They will always come for you. Love will drag them to where their hearts lie. All you have to do is to be sincere enough and choose who will go and who will stay. Quick decision maketh a man.
Give you my own heart, oh. I love you.
Papa, I do not want to hurt anyone's feelings.
The only reason why a woman would be angry with a man and still goes back to him is because of a stronghold. But you don't have to take advantage of that stronghold and toil with their emotions. Choose who will go and who will stay. Ho ha! A na-eji ihe na-agwụ ike ezu ike. Mba.
I love you.
Hey.
Love, 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 more. Love, 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 more. Love, 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 more. Love, more. I love you.
Hey. Zikora, you look moody. I went to your mother's house and they say you did not sleep in the house. What happened?
You are correct. I am moody, Biko.
Why won't you be moody? When the only thing you do is to keep secret to yourself. Yes. So Zebonjo came back into this village and you did not bother to tell me. Okay, why are you going to keep that secret forever?
It's not what you think.
What do I think? Then what is it? Oh, you want to hide it too?
Hide what exactly, Carisia?
That he found a very beautiful woman in faraway Uzuwane, where he stayed until he recovered. Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you behaving like that? Is it not me? Why, Carisia? I get all my information, so anyhow I want it and the way I want it, or however.
How did you come about this information?
On my way to the farm, I saw both of them. He was begging her. If you see how Zebenjo was begging her, that she should just give him small time to come back into this village and do away with you. Then he'll come and take her in properly. My friend, if you see that your Zebenjo, he can kiss. If you see how he was kissing her, if you see how he was kissing her goodbye. Hi. My mind came to where you were. Started beating you already. Zikora, come on, help me pick my cutlass, Zikora. I can pick my cutlass, Zikora.
It feels so difficult and painful for a woman to have a man who will come to love her so much. My Z, Zebenjo, please do not leave me. I am deeply in love with you. I cannot breathe without you. I was so jealous. I could not stand the sight.
She has been like that since she returned back from Umojirike community. I do not know what she encountered there that put her in that mood. Since yesterday.
She looks like someone who encountered a situation that puts her in love lone.
Since she met that boy from Umojirike community, her life has never remained the same again. I detest that boy.
You asked her to get a husband for herself. Now she has made her choice. Although I don't know why she made that kind of choice.
I always known that things have the tendency of going wrong. A choice from Umojirike community is no choice because they marry themselves, not strangers. So the relationship cannot work. And besides, that boy will not come for her.
Whatever makes them to practice this amonolo
Nonolo is a selfish one.
What else if not that they are looking for expansion within the community circle due to lack of men?
Don't worry. I know some Nazu will come out of that mood. Yes, she will. She will. But you must allow her to choose her man by herself. But he must not be a man from Umojirike. But it can be anywhere else. Not Umojirike.
The hatred is so much, enviness and jealousy so much.
I have formed an enmity around me within my family just because of Sebenja. And all of a sudden, a girl from nowhere will come snatching from me? No. If I allow it happen, then I have failed on every side.
The God of the poor, but also
Sikora! Sikora! Mama! What is going on? You allowed the soup to get burnt. Even at this hard time, you know people are managing. I'll put it down.
I'm sorry, Mama.
What is bothering you? Eh? What is bothering you? I've been observing you since you came back from Zebenjo's house. You've not been yourself. Tell me what happened there.
Wipe away the tears of the poor.
Sikora, why are you crying? Talk to me. What is bothering you, my daughter?
What else could be bothering her? What else could be bothering your daughter if not Zebenjo? If a witch cries in the night and the child dies in the morning, do you still need to ask for what killed the child? It is obvious. Sometimes I wonder what that boy has done to you that you have gone against your own family. Eh? That's why you cannot even remember that that boy is not good for you. Eh?
You see, you can see that your sister is not in the right mood. This is not the time to make troubles with her. Please, I beg you.
I should make peace. Make peace with her. How? How, Kwanna? Listen to me. You became a traitor the day you decided to choose an outsider in place of your family members. Yes. You're looking at me to make a peace. How? Is it possible? Eh? Because somebody they are supposed to put on the lantern to see said they should set the lantern. You do not even know what Zebenjo means. Okay, in case you do not understand Igbo, Zebenjo, English says fear evil, avoid evil. So you are supposed to avoid that boy from if fear from 1 meter away, enough, but because everything about him depicts evil. And I want him anti-anoro. Ebelisi, ntiye solia. One day, you will know that this boy, this your brother, has not been blabbing. He's saying the truth. Mama tumie, pakana mozo, onozo yana, nwenya. Listen, the first one was Peletum, Omeli, no wahala. But second one, Oga Boli no mo boss ya and then Abagugu, Amabaratan, and then on and Dama Ma dear what the name.
I would advise you go make peace with Zebenjo.
Look,
you are in great danger. Eh?
Me, Obiago. You do not even understand the real meaning and full meaning of Obiago. In English, lion's heart. In fact, I brought lion's heart. I'm a lion. Ike de nabo obuji ebuago. Aroro chupolo odum nebobi. Man odum nebuago.
Obiago. Please, can you calm down?
Calm down for what?
Zikora.
Biko.
You talked about danger. What danger are you talking about?
Danger, the raw. Isiko on asa, on asaba, on Naija asaba, on asisi.
Oh my Dave, just tell me, what danger are you talking about, Mom? Mama. Zebenjo has found out that your son is responsible for the attempt on his life. Hey! And he's ready to make a case out of it if you do not let us get married. You see? You see why I am bothered? Because I am about to lose a dear brother because of the consequences of his actions.
Who told him? Who told him? Hey.
What are we going to do? You see what I keep telling you? You talk too much. You talk too much. You talk and talk and talk and forget yourself. And this gives this boy an advantage to be ahead of you all the time.
Oh, why are you sounding like a broken record, Mama? No, stop sounding like a broken record. What is it? In our studio. Let me think of what to do. You see, do you know what we'll do now? Emma no more power. We're broken on them wise. Power. So what you do is persuade her, pacify her, so that she will, do the needful. So that go. Or do you want to lose your only son?
The house looks as dilapidated as it exudes poverty. No wonder her background keeps pushing her to nemesis.
Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
My name is Mwanye Karisia, a woman who dances on the edge of a razor blade without the fear of sustaining a painful cut.
Unfortunately, your name does not vibrate the earth. I ask again, what are you doing here?
What the scorpion does before it stings. Zebenjo is my man. Stay away from him. He was already planning our wedding before all these happenstances brought you to him. So I came to warn you for the last time. Stay away from Zebenjo.
Oh, that? Oh, I'm sure you're one of the random girls he sleeps with to satisfy his sexual urges. Oh, my man must be really good in bed. He must have done you strong thing and knocked the screws out of your brain for you to have come here to showcase what exactly? What? How dare you?
Do you know who you're talking to?
I am talking to a nobody. Do you know whose ground you stand on? Get out. You leave. You leave this place this minute, or else you will experience some nazo. I will cut these legs with cutlass, machete. Your razor blade will not stand any chance. It will no longer be dancing.
And what is that traitor doing here?
What are you doing here?
I was waiting for today to come, so I'll come and see you, hoping that the sun will not set on your anger.
Do I look like a joke to you? Do I look like a fool? That you give attention to anything that wears pants and skirts? It doesn't go down well with me, Zebenjo. It doesn't.
I can see you're still very angry with me. But it's okay. I have to leave now.
But I love you.
I know how it started. Zebenjo love Gejumaro. Yakonum ne pusino. I love you.
You may not know how it started. You fit not know
I love you too.
how it started. Even me.
Then why? Why do you destroy any hope of us into the ground? Why? Why do the girls, why do they flock around you?
I don't know why they're flocking around me. I don't know what is going on. I'm asking myself that same question. Was he here talk here? Eh? I was I don't know.
Zebenjo, I love you.
Z.
My heart belongs to you.
Are you confused about us? Remember that I told you that your love pumps blood into my heart. See, don't you want us to spend the rest of our lives together?
Love, 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 more. Love, 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 more. Love, 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 more. Love, more.
Greetings, Ogudile, the immaculate priestess of the goddess of purity. To what do I owe this visit?
Your son, Zebenjo, is on a long journey to a country in search of love that will bring him back to his roots. You must stop that movement before an irredeemable damage is done.
What love and reconciliation are you talking about?
For how long will you continue to lie to yourself? You must tell Zebenjo his true identity. He must reconcile with himself before he will make a mistake that will destroy the 7 rivers that form summits of purity. Alam.
But even if I tell him about his mother, how can I reveal his family? Left to me, I would even prefer he marries the girl from far Uzo1 rather than get involved with a worrisome isn't about family. Everything about Zebenjo is formed around cloudy obscurities. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, yo. Oh my God, honestly. Hey, can I go that?
I want on Accusation. Oh, yeah, and I want to do what is it? I want on Accusation. That's problem. What I saw in the pots and I thought it was soup. When I went closer, it was actually ordinary boiling water. Ordinary boiling water.
What happened?
I don't know. Zebenjo is planning to make a case against me before the elders for attempting to murder him.
What do you want to do now? Why come to me?
Listen, Wabeze, don't begin to portion blames. You know I did not do it. But the thing is, how do I exonerate myself from this crime? Because I did not do it. I am innocent.
Who told you this?
My sister confirmed it this morning. Mwabo, how do I make people believe that I did not do it?
I don't know. Yes. You are the one who confirmed to me that you are responsible for Zebenjo's death. And when Zebenjo reappeared, he reappeared with a healing wound, which is an evidence that you are responsible for attempt on his life. Don't you think you need to finish what you have started? Dead men don't make cases.
What do I do now? See, Zebenjo is threatening that the only way he can withdraw the case is by marrying my sister Zikora.
Zikora is betrothed to me, and you know Zebenjo cannot take Zikora.
Oh, listen to me. I don't know why you're still hammering on this. I don't want to die. Okay. So, what do we do?
You see,
what do we do?
The question here should be, what will you do? And I am supposed to be the one asking you the same question. Obiago, what will you do?
Both of them to get married.
Mama, how would that be? Zikora is betrothed to Nwabeze.
Then prepare to die. And when you die, tell your ancestors that we did what we did because you have failed to control your mouth. Or have you forgotten that he who guards his tongue guards his life?
Mama, I'm a cat who's tired anywhere. About I was aging in Sebuchina. Mama, what if you pay the father a visit? Talk things over with him. What do you think?
Come, let's go together now. You have to go with me then.
Mama, when I come on, I can't go into a job. You know, you can do it. Remember, a life of one is a life for all. So far, family is involved, though.
Really?
Ha. Oh, one baby. Anya, Nimie Solia. If I die.
Obiago, you can reason like this. For the first time in your life, you are thinking towards the right direction. Anyway, I'll see what I can do. I'll go and see the man. Go and see Maziodo.
Okay.
Oh, after this one, you know how to control your mouth. We feel in a You've not learnt your lessons even up till now. Obiako, how is he doing you?